Hello everyone, I am Jyotsna from 9th standard and I am going to explain you about diode and its uses. We all have televisions in our home. We watch our favorite shows sitting on a sofa controlling the television by remote control, right? So this is possible only because of the diode in the remote control which helps us to change the channel. So now we learn about diodes. A diode is one of the main electronic components. It is basically a combination of p-type and n-type semiconductor material. It is a two-terminal device represented like this. The direction of the arrow represents the flow of the current, which means the direction of the current. There are two terminals, namely anode, positive terminal, and cathode, negative terminal. A semiconductor diode can be connected in a circuit in two ways, namely forward bias and reverse bias. Now let's understand what is forward bias and reverse bias. Let's begin with forward bias. When the positive side of the battery is connected to an anode and negative to the cathode, it is said to be forward biased. In this connection, the resistance is very low. And let's learn about reverse bias. When the negative side of the battery is connected to anode and positive to the cathode, it is said to be reverse biased. In this connection, the resistance is very high. Let's explore the different kinds of diodes. This is a gun diode. It is used in producing microwave signals. And this is laser diode, and it is used in fiber optic communications, barcode readers, and etc. And light emitting diode. It is used in lighting applications like aviation lighting, traffic signals, camera flashes, etc. There are different kinds of diodes used for different purposes. And this is all about diodes, and thank you for watching.